The number one question in real estate is how's the market? Most agents, most consumers, they don't really know what's going on. I'm going to break down the actual statistics for what happened through the month of June in the greater Philadelphia area and tell you what you need to know if you're thinking about a real estate decision. If you get some value out of this or you like what you hear, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell for notifications, and if you want to schedule a call with our team to talk about these stats and how they impact you, you can do that with the link in the comments. The number one question out there is how's the market? And we know that it depends if you're looking to sell, if you're looking to buy, if you're looking to rent, or you're looking to invest. I'm going to break down what happened through the month of June, our first half report in the greater Philadelphia area. The sample size here is Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, Bucks counties, the city of Philadelphia, as well as parts of South Jersey and the two northern counties in Delaware. So here's the numbers. Closed sales are up 2.1% year over year. So we're seeing that sales are up a little bit. Not too many more homes are selling, but pending sales, they're down 1% year over year. So we're going to call sales about flat here so far in 2025. The median sale price is up 6.4% year over year in the greater Philadelphia area. So prices are continuing to rise, sales are flat. New listings are up 1.8%. But the real opportunity here is active inventory. Active listings are up 14.3% year over year through the month of June. So there's effectively 14% more homes for sale that are on the market for people that are thinking about making a move. Supply has risen 0.21 months. Right now it sits at a 2.18 month supply. That's up from a 1.97 month supply. So effectively, supply is up 10.6%. So we're seeing more active listings, we're seeing more supply. And here's the thing to be mindful of. Showings are down 4.4% year over year. Now in the month of July, we're seeing showings are relatively flat. They're up 1% here, 2% there. So we're going to call showings roughly flat. So we're seeing the same number of homes are selling. There's more inventory, and the showings and the tours that are happening are relatively flat, and prices have gone up a healthy amount. So what does all this mean? Well, if I'm a seller right now, I'm looking at inventory growth as something to be mindful of, because the best time for you to have your home on the market is when the neighbors don't. I'm also looking at price growth. Prices are up a healthy amount here in 2025. That's a good thing if you're looking to cash out high. And some neighborhoods, we've seen bigger spikes than others. So that's where it's really critical to get a local analysis of what's going on in the market. So there's opportunity here for sellers. Supply is still relatively low. Even though it's growing, we're at a 2.81 month supply. That's very low compared to what's considered an even market, which is around 6 months. So there's opportunities for people that want to sell their home between now and the end of the year to get a really great price and cash in on some of this demand. From the buyer side, there's a little less competition than what we saw last year. We've seen inventory grow. There's more options. There's more opportunities. Rates hit their lowest level all year in the past couple of weeks and are consistently coming in below 7% right now. And there's some incredible opportunities if you're a first-time home buyer and want to go with a PHFA loan where rates are coming in below 6%, and a jumbo loan, that's for loan amounts higher than $806,000. So some of the higher price points, you're able to get a little bit better of a rate. We've seen quotes as low as 6 3/8 on that. So there's some opportunities in financing. You're seeing some more inventory. Rates are a little lower, and the competition's about the same. So if you have the same competition and more supply, it's going to be a little easier to get the home that you want if it makes sense. So there's opportunities for buyers, there's opportunities for sellers, but here's the kicker. You've got to get a local analysis of your needs, and that's where an agent can come in to tell you exactly what's going on in the neighborhoods where you want to buy or in the neighborhood where you want to sell a home. And that's going to be critical because we know some price points, they move a little quicker than others. Some price points take longer. Some neighborhoods sell faster. Knowing the local market is critically important. There is opportunity, but the best time for you to buy a home is when it's right for you. It's right for your family. It's right for your household. The best time to sell a home is when it's right for you, when it makes sense for you to make the move. So look at these stats, understand the direction the market's going, and if you've been contemplating a move, it's never too early to start planning, and we can help you with that simply by scheduling a call with us in the link in the comments.